Okay, so what I've got at the moment is the Tascam DR05X set up. So I'm just I'm putting it in the same place as the iPad would be if I was doing like a voiceover. Okay, now this is a voiceover. Um, to be honest, I don't know if there's a lot of difference between this and anything else. Obviously, it's the room that I'm in, I guess. It's quite a big open room, so we'll see. On the LumaFusion, which is what I use for my video editing. I've been happy with it. It seems to do what I need it to do, and I can use it on the straight on the iPad. No dramas. Then I can do voiceover, but the voiceover always appears. For me, it just seems like it's I'm talking from inside a bucket. So I'm hoping that this audio from the Tascam, which I'm going to pop onto a video or a picture, as it were, I'm going to put it onto something anyway. And yeah, so I'm just hoping it's going to be better than the audio that I get from a voiceover. We'll see. So this is recording on the Tascam. However, I've put a snood over the top to sort of try and diffuse the possible bucket sounding echoey sort of appearance of the audio. They don't actually do a sort of what do they call them, like a dead cat thing for the on the lavalier mics. They don't actually, well, they might do, but I haven't got one. So the thing that I did was stuck me like a very lightweight snood thing that I had on site. So I just pop that over the top, and we'll see if that makes any difference as well. Okay, so we're back to an ending voiceover on the iPad in LumaFusion. I think the Tascam was slightly better, and I think the Tascam with the like muffling of the snood was better still. So let me know what you think, if you can tell the difference. That is, I believe you should be able to, but yeah, certainly I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be pleased to know what your thoughts are. Okay, comment down below, like, share, subscribe, whatever. Okay, see you next time. Bye.